If your baby is coughing and you're worried, watch this. When my baby started coughing, my first reaction was panic, but I later learned that not every cough means something serious. I focus on keeping my baby calm and settled, making sure they're comfortable, and paying attention to how they're acting overall. I watch for things like feeding normally, breathing comfortably, and whether they still seem like themselves. Most times, the coughing eased with time and care. This is just what worked for our family. Baby coughing can have many causes. If the cough worsens, lasts, or comes with other symptoms, always contact your pediatrician or healthcare provider. Above all, trust your instincts. You know your baby best, and it's okay to ask for help.